Do you have tolerance and open-mindedness for your feminine partners and create a clearing that provides them the freedom to be fully expressed sexually without regard for judgment or rejection? That's some deep shit right there. That's the level of truly being unattached. For me, that showed up in a couple of ways. My own comfortableness and validation in my body and how I look, reflecting on my partners. What it means for me, the validation that this one's a baddie, or this one's got a six-pack, or this one's got a fat ass, or I haven't had anything like this. That's pressure on feminine. Feminine has to show up and be the partner that you're looking for. Feminine has to always be ready, or you've got judgment or rejection coming back at them. It's acceptance. That's what this distinction is speaking to. What are the pressures that you're putting on your partners? Feminine, they want your masculine attention. Once they've finally gotten it, once they have the experience of being chosen, protected, they're gonna want more of it. They're already under the pressures of, did I fuck this up? Am I doing this wrong? Is he gonna like this? There's times you will talk yourself out of something. Oh yeah, well usually it's gotta be some great head, or I probably won't even get off. Now they're scared. They don't wanna fuck it up. They don't wanna disappoint you. They don't wanna be in that book of can't get it right and they'll never get a chance again, so feminine will not. It doesn't logically make sense, but it's feminine.